Self-growth and personal development don't have to be a serious or difficult process. Your soul intends for you to be happy and radiant and to have fun with life. One of the ways you can have fun with your self-growth and personal development is to use an oracle card deck for self-reflection. It's easy and fun, and you should try it. There are thousands of different oracle cards available. The number of cards in an oracle deck can vary from as few as 20 or as many as 144. The cards may be based on any topic and can be used for a variety of purposes, but the purpose I like best is for self-reflection. In this video, let's talk about how to pick an oracle deck, and then how to pick a card for self-reflection to better understand yourself and to make positive changes in your life. Choosing an oracle card deck can be quite overwhelming if you've never looked at oracle cards before. There are so many to choose from. So here are a few tips that can help you narrow down the choices. When choosing an oracle card deck for self-reflection, you'll want to look for a deck with thought-provoking imagery, colors that speak to you and spark your imagination and inspiration. Make sure the card deck is easy to understand and interpret, which is important, so you can be clear about the messages you're getting when you pick a card. If you have a favorite theme or area of life you're interested to improve, it may be fun for you to pick an oracle card deck that focuses on that theme, such as money and abundance, or health and vitality, or relationships, which is a very popular topic in oracle card decks. But it's not necessary to find an oracle card deck that's only focused on one area of life. You can choose a deck that's more general if it suits you better. And hey, who's to say you can only have one? Feel free to choose more than one if you find several that appeal to you. While looking at oracle card decks, here are a few features you should consider. The artwork. The artwork on an oracle card deck is very important. You want to choose a deck with artwork that you find beautiful and meaningful. The size of the cards. The size of the cards is also important. You want to choose a deck with cards that are easy for you to hold and shuffle and that feel good in your hand. The back of the cards. You want to choose a deck with a back design that you find visually appealing and that speaks to you in some way of inspiration and positive energy. The guidebook. Most oracle card decks come with a guidebook, and you should make sure the one you purchase has one included. The guidebook will help you understand the meaning of the cards and how to use them for self-reflection. You know, choosing an oracle card deck is a very personal decision. There is no right or wrong answer. The most important thing is to choose a deck that resonates with you on a personal level. Once you have chosen an oracle card deck you love, it's time to read the guidebook and become familiar with how to use it. Take time to explore and play with the cards, looking at each one, and think about what it means, both as it's described in the guidebook and how it feels to you to hold. Once you've prepared by learning how your oracle card deck works, it's time to prepare you to start thinking about the kinds of questions you'd like to ask of your higher self, so that you can begin the self-reflection process with curiosity and an open mind. First off, the guidebook will usually offer several suggestions for picking a card and for how to use the deck. Read the instructions and see if what they suggest feels right for you. If it does, you're good to go. Just follow the instructions and have fun with it. If they suggest more than one way to do it, try out various ways and decide which one you like best. In general, here are the steps in how to shuffle and pick an oracle card for any kind of oracle card deck. 1. Hold the deck of cards in your hands and close your eyes. 2. Take a few deep breaths and clear your mind. 3. Focus on a question or intention that's important to you. 4. Begin to shuffle the cards by hand or randomly. 5. As you shuffle, visualize the cards being shuffled and mixed together. 6. When you feel that the cards are shuffled to your satisfaction, open your eyes. 7. Fan out the cards face down in front of you. 8. Pick one card without looking at it. Trust your intuition. 9. Turn the card over and look at the card you have chosen. 10. Be open to receiving the message of the card. The card may not always give you the answer you want to hear, but it will always give you the answer you need to hear. 11. Take some time to reflect on the meaning of the card. What does it mean to you? What message is it trying to send you? Spend some time thinking about this and write down any of the thoughts that come to you so you can refer to them later. 12. Use the oracle card as a guide. The card can help you to understand your current situation and to make the best choices for your future. Use it to reflect on how to make your situation and your life better. That's how to use oracle cards for self-reflection and to have fun going deeper with your life. If you want more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe and hit the notify bell so you won't miss anything. And if you'd like a great source to find awesome oracle card decks for yourself or for a gift, check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and make your day radiant.